think anybody looking at Ireland right now would wonder what kind of a basket case are we that we're generating, to use your word, eye-watering surpluses in our public finances, and yet we have the highest levels of homelessness that we've ever had. And it's worse it's getting, not better. And particularly when we look at, housing completions are going to be down this year and last year, they're going to be worse again next year. So it's worse it's getting. And the reality is that there has been a repeated pattern of failure here. So the government has underspent last year and the year before. The government has failed to commit on to deliver on its very modest social and affordable housing targets. Like, to think that it's 6,500 houses short of where it should have been last year, that is absolutely unacceptable. It's like, I was talking to a family the other night. There's 3 adults and 4 kids in a 2-bedroom house, and they have no prospect of getting a house anytime soon.